There are many things around us, which are capable to cure even the deadliest disease. Today we will be talking about the similar thing, which is cabbage juice for stomach ulcers. Many of us don't know that this simple vegetable can be so useful of treating stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers, also known as gastric ulcers or peptic ulcers, are open sores that develop on the lining of the stomach. Ulcers can also occur in part of the intestine just beyond the stomach. These are known as duodenal ulcers. These are really the heavy kind of diseases which is very painful and creates discomfort. In severe cases, it can be as critical as cancer itself. In allopath, the treatment process involves surgery, several medications and other forms. It is cabbage juice. You might be thinking, such as simple vegetable and stomach ulcer, impossible. But it is possible now. Yes, cabbage juice holds the capacity of treating ulcers. Cabbage is one of the most medicinal vegetables you'll find in your garden. It contains powerful medicinal compounds that help heal cancer, but one of its best-known uses is as a natural remedy for stomach ulcers. The preparation of cabbage juice is very easy and takes no time. Ingredients: raw green cabbage 2 cups, a cup of water, a slice of lemon. Preparation: take a mixer or a blender for the use. Put chopped cabbage and water in it. Blend it and strain through the strainer. Pour in a glass and toss with few drops of lemon. Mix well and have it. Cabbage juice contains glutamic acid that is highly beneficial for the health of your intestinal tract. People suffering from stomach peptic ulcer or inflammation has found cabbage juice to be very healing. Some find relief within 2 to 3 days of daily drinking the juice, some are healed within 2 weeks from drinking this miracle juice. Intake of cabbage juice depends upon the severity of your ulcer. If you are in starting stage, then take it 1 glass per day. Make sure that you don't take it full at once, divide into small doses. As same you can exceed to 2 or 3 glass. Better ask your physician or health expert before having this, as every medication should be taken under the guidance of an expert. So in this way we saw the usage of cabbage juice for stomach ulcers. It is a very good and natural thing which will heal a lot. Give it a try and see the results. Take care and live well.